Welcome back, guys. Today, we're diving into some of the best Amazon gadgets that are worth buying. All the product links are mentioned in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have this awesome waterproof military tactical jacket. If you're looking for a jacket that can handle any weather and any adventure, look no further than the waterproof military tactical jacket. This jacket is made of high-quality materials that are scratch-resistant, stretchy, and comfortable. It has a polar fleece lining that keeps you warm and dry, and a durable water-repellent finish that resists water, dirt, and oil. It also has a 3D hood that can be hidden or expanded, and an axillary ventilation system that prevents overheating. But that's not all. This jacket also has 7 functional pockets that can store your tactical pen, light, headphones, keys, cards, and more. It has a unique design that offers durability and protection, with drawstrings on the waist and hood, adjustable wrist cuffs, and a double zipper. Whether you're hiking, hunting, camping, cycling, fishing, or just going out, this jacket is perfect for any outdoor activity. You can choose from different colors and sizes and refer to the size chart for accurate measurements. Trust us, this is a jacket you'll want to have in your wardrobe. If you're a fan of Apple products, this 3-in-1 travel charger is a lifesaver. This charger is a must-have for anyone who owns an iPhone, an Apple Watch, and AirPods. It can charge all 3 devices simultaneously with fast wireless charging up to 15 watts. It's also compatible with any MagSafe-enabled device, which means you can just snap your phone or watch onto the charger and enjoy a hassle-free charging experience. The charger has a sleek and stylish fabric finish and an optimized nightstand mode that lets you use your devices as an alarm clock or a bedside lamp, and a travel case that makes it easy to carry and store. With this charger, you'll never have to worry about running out of battery or tangled cords. This is a charger that will make your life easier and more convenient. If you want to upgrade your home security and convenience, you should check out the August Home Wi-Fi Smart Lock. This smart lock fits on the inside of your door, making your regular deadbolt smarter, more secure, and way more convenient. You can keep your keys just in case, but you won't need them. You can control your lock with your voice using your favorite voice assistant, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, and more. You can also grant access to your home with the August app, which lets you share permanent, scheduled, or temporary access to your home with friends, family, and other people you trust. You can forget key copying and never put a key under the doormat again. The smart lock is easy to install on any door, even if you're not so handy. It's not much bigger than your original thumb turn, and it doesn't change the look of the outside of your front door. The smart lock also has some amazing features, such as auto locks and unlocks, which let you enter and exit your home hands-free. It also has door sense, which automatically secures your home once your door is closed, or after a set amount of time. This is a smart lock that will keep your home's curb appeal and give you peace of mind. If you need a precise and efficient way to measure distances, you should try the Bilateral laser measurement tool. This is a very unique, easy, and powerful laser measuring tool that can measure any distance up to 300 feet or 120 meters without having to strain your body or resort to dangerous positions. You can acquire the distance between 2 points by positioning yourself anywhere in the line of measurement. The tool has a patented coaxial optics technology that ensures 100% two-way beam alignment, providing extreme measuring accuracy up to plus Arcer 1 by 16-inch for bidirectional measurement. The tool also has an exquisite design and high-quality workmanship. It has a precisely machined metal housing, simple-to-use buttons with laser-engraved intuitive labels, and an extra compact and lightweight body. It's made of aircraft-grade magnesium-aluminum alloy, which makes it durable enough and highly wear and corrosion-resistant to withstand rugged job site conditions and extreme temperatures. It also has a backlit HD OLED and an innovative big text mode that make measurements easy to read in dark areas. The tool also has some unique features, such as a 1 Newton line segment division function that automatically divides a line segment into n equal smaller segments. This feature automatically realizes staking out function by splitting the stakeout line into several equal sections, which replaces traditional stakeout feature of a laser tape measure that requires continuous measuring. The tool also has a middle laser marking beam that provides visualized reference and allows precise marking of the measuring point. The tool also has app connectivity, which lets you transfer all the measuring results to a Smart Life sketching app. You can quickly construct a plan, make a sketch, and share results across your partners. This is a tool that will save you time and make your measurements more accurate and convenient. If you're looking for a futuristic and stylish digital clock that can do much more than just tell time, then you need to check out the Divoom Times Gate. This cyberpunk-inspired device features 5 full-color LCD displays that can show stunning pixel art, animated GIFs, and customizable data dials. You can control everything from your smartphone using the Divoom app and create your own screen patterns and dials to suit your mood and preferences. It's not just a clock, it's your intelligent life assistant. And if that's not enough, the Timesgate also has a dual-edge ambient light and a customizable backlight that can create 12 mesmerizing light effects, making your gaming room or office look awesome. The Timesgate is the perfect gift for anyone who loves technology, art, and creativity. Up next, let's talk about CLEMT Premium Car Scent Diffuser. If you're looking for a luxury and elegant car air freshener that can enhance your driving experience, then you need to check out the CLEMT Premium Car Scent Diffuser. This is a sleek and stylish device that can clip to your vehicle AC vent or attach to your interior with a magnetic removable vent clip. It comes with 2 or 3 bottles of premium essential oils, depending on the model you choose, and you can adjust the screw-on cap to control the intensity of the fragrance. The CLEMT Premium Eyeris Scent Diffuser has a pure and natural essential oil base and no phthalate or harmful chemicals. It also has a portable size and a 100% premium aluminum material, making it durable and elegant. The CLEMT Premium Car Scent Diffuser is the perfect gift for anyone who loves luxury and aroma. Tired of hitting snooze on a boring old clock? We have the 6-in-1 digital alarm clock. This is not your ordinary alarm clock. This is a multifunctional device that combines a speaker, FM radio, wireless charger, power-off memory, and nightlight into one sleek and stylish gadget. This is the perfect alarm clock for your bedroom, as it offers you everything you need to start your day right. Plus, it has multiple lighting modes to create the perfect sleep ambiance. Say goodbye to cluttered cables and hello to a more convenient morning routine. Calling all adventure seekers! The GoPro HERO11 is here to capture every adrenaline-pumping moment. This action camera boasts incredible 5.3K video, high-resolution photos, and Emmy award-winning hyper-smooth stabilization. Want to relive your epic moments in slow-mo? No problem. This gadget handles 2.7K 240 video for jaw-dropping slow-motion playback. You can also zoom in, crop your shots, change digital lenses, adjust aspect ratios, and more while keeping the rich textures and sharpness of your footage. HERO11 is the ultimate action camera for anyone who loves adventure and creativity. If you want to get your own GoPro HERO11, click the link in the description below and order yours today. Create your own personal oasis with the Homedics Portable Humidifier, a compact and portable device that converts water into a fine, evenly dispersed cool mist. This humidifier is ideal for travel, as it can fit in your car cup holder, your backpack, or your suitcase. Water tank that provides up to 10 hours of runtime per fill when plugged in, and up to 3.5 hours when using battery. It also features clean tank technology that prevents mold and mildew growth. The Homedics Portable Humidifier is quiet and convenient, perfect for nighttime use. It has a built-in color-changing accent light that creates a relaxing ambience, and you can choose from 2 cool mist settings and various auto-off timer options. The package includes 1 humidifier, 1 instruction book, 3 wicks, 1 USB charging cord, and 1 one-year limited warranty. The Nesugar Clothe Steamer. Ditch the ironing board and say hello to wrinkle-free bliss with this sleek steamer. With its sleek design and lightweight body, this steamer is a game-changer for keeping your clothes wrinkle-free. It heats up in just 15 seconds, delivering soft, dry steam that's perfect for all types of fabrics. Plus, its unique rotating head allows for easy steaming in any orientation. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to effortlessly fresh clothes. Next up, we have the RENPHO Eyeris One Eye Massager. Feeling stressed? After a long day? There's nothing better than giving your eyes some much-needed relaxation. Give your eyes some TLC with this heated massager. This massager combines soothing heat with gentle percussion massage, relieving tension and promoting better sleep. Plus, with its Bluetooth connectivity, you can enjoy your favorite calming music while you unwind. Say goodbye to tired eyes and hello to sweet dreams. Introducing the Morus Zero Portable Dryer. Dry a shirt in 15 minutes flat. Perfect for apartment dwellers. This space-saving wonder saves you time and precious square footage. It removes odors, attracts lint, and keeps your clothes fluffy and soft. Talk about laundry magic. Calling all coffee lovers, say hello to the HyperChiller HC2RG coffee and beverage cooler. Who says iced coffee has to wait? This innovative gadget chills your favorite beverages in less than 60 seconds. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need your caffeine fix fast. Whether you're brewing coffee or pouring a glass of wine, the HyperChiller ensures that your drinks stay perfectly chilled without any dilution. Cheers to that! Stay hydrated in style with the Brita insulated filtered water bottle with straw. So this BPA-free bottle features a built-in filter that removes chlorine and other impurities, giving you great tasting water wherever you go. Plus, its leak-proof design and convenient carrying loop make it the perfect companion for your daily adventures. Stay refreshed and eco-friendly with Brita. Ditch the plastic and save the planet, one sip at a time. Short on space but craving a delicious cup of coffee? Look no further than the Keurig K-Mini single-serve coffee maker. This compact brewer fits perfectly in any kitchen or dorm room, delivering fresh coffee in minutes. Plus, its travel mug-friendly design means you can enjoy your favorite brew on the go. With the K-Mini, great coffee is always within reach. It's compact, affordable, and perfect for dorms, offices, or just because. Rock on! And keep your home clean without lifting a finger with the iRobot Roomba 694 robot vacuum. This smart vacuum learns your cleaning habits and adapts to your home's layout, ensuring thorough cleaning every time. With its advanced sensors and 3-stage cleaning system, it tackles dirt, dust, and debris with ease. Sit back, relax, and let the Roomba do the dirty work for you. Finally, a chore you can truly ditch. Elevate your entertainment experience with the Nanoleaf 4D. This innovative lighting system brings your favorite movies, shows, and video games to life, extending vibrant colors from your screen into your space. With its customizable animations and screen mirroring technology, it creates an immersive ambiance that's sure to impress. Get ready to take your entertainment setup to the next level with the Nanoleaf 4D. It's like stepping into the movie. Stay refreshed all day long with the STANLEY IceFlow stainless steel tumbler. With its capacity and double-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps your drinks ice cold for up to 2 days. Plus, its exclusive IceFlow flip straw ensures leak-proof sipping on the move, while the ergonomic handle makes it easy to grab and go. Whether you're at work, in the car, or hitting the gym, this tumbler is the perfect companion for staying hydrated wherever life takes you. Keep your floors sparkling clean with the Tineco Floor ONE S3 cordless hardwood floors cleaner. Featuring iLoop smart sensor technology, this innovative cleaner detects wet and dry messes on sealed hard floors and adjusts suction power and water flow accordingly. With its self-propelled design and long-lasting battery, it vacuums and washes your floors in one smart step for a streak-free finish. Plus, its 5-in-1 self-cleaning system keeps your hands clean and your home odor-free. Say goodbye to dirty floors and hello to effortless cleaning. Melt away muscle tension on the go with the Hypervolt Go 2. Powerful yet quiet, it features different speeds and attachments for targeted relief wherever you need it. Compact, lightweight, and whisper quiet. It's like having your own personal masseuse on the go. Immerse yourself in rich, room-filling sound with the Marshall Acton III. This isn't just any speaker, it's a powerhouse of sound. With a wider stereo soundstage and next-generation Bluetooth technology, you can effortlessly pair and play your favorite tunes in style. Plus, its sustainable build means you can rock out guilt-free while being environmentally conscious. Crank up the volume and experience audio like never before. You're looking for a portable charger that can charge multiple devices wirelessly and quickly? Then you should check out the wireless portable charger Power Bank. This power bank is featured by wireless charging 5-watt, 7.5-watt, 10-watt, and 15-watt max. It can fast charge most wireless devices as a large capacity rechargeable power supply, and also can be a high-power fast cordless charger pad, eliminating the embarrassment of forgetting the cable. We have the FeiyuTech Pocket 3 kit. If you're looking for a cordless and detachable gimbal camera that can capture stunning 4K videos, then you need to check out the FeiyuTech Pocket 3 kit. This is a versatile and innovative device that can detach easily from the remote control handle and transform into a multi-purpose, go-anywhere mountable camera. You can use the gimbal camera separately with the FeiyuCam app, or attach it to a helmet, car roof, or any magnetic surface with the built-in magnets, and control it from the handle with the Feiyu app in your hand. The FeiyuTech Pocket 3 kit also has an AI intelligent tracking function, which can automatically track moving objects and get a cool dynamic video in no time. The FeiyuTech Pocket 3 kit provides a maximum resolution of 4K at 60 FPS, keeping your recorded video clear even when placed on a large screen or projected. Ditch the sugary sodas and create your own sparkling water at home with the aarke Carbonator III. Say goodbye to plastic soda makers and hello to top-of-the-line engineering. With this sleek and stylish machine uses CO2 canisters to carbonate your water in seconds, adding a refreshing fizz without the artificial ingredients. Plus, it comes in a range of finishes to complement your kitchen counter. Safety meets technology with the Sena R2 Smart Bluetooth Road Cycling Helmet. This is a helmet that will take your cycling experience to the next level. This helmet has built-in speakers and a microphone that let you enjoy your favorite music, GPS navigation, and phone calls while you ride. And you can also use the Bluetooth intercom feature to communicate with other cyclists. Let your little ones' imaginations run wild with Kasdan Dyson toys. These are toys that will make your kids happy and entertained, while also teaching them some valuable skills. These toys are replicas of the famous Dyson vacuum cleaners, and they look just like the real thing, from the twist and turn ball to the clear cylinder. These toys will let your kids explore imaginative play as they pretend to clean the house and pick up small bits and pieces. And don't worry, these toys are safe for your kids because they only use light suction that is suitable for small pieces of paper and lightweight debris. And they also run on 4C batteries, which are not included. These toys will help your kids learn responsibility and develop coordination and motor skills as they move around and have fun. And what's included in this set? You get the toy replica Dyson ball with whizzing colored balls, twist and turn action, and a removable debris drawer. And you also get a non-color, plastic-free packaging that is kinder to our environment. And this toy is suitable for kids age 3 and above. And it also comes with a product video that shows you how to assemble it. Never wonder if you left the garage door open again with the Chamberlain Smart Garage Control. This gadget lets you open or close your garage from anywhere using your smartphone. All you need to do is download the free MyQ app for iPhone or Android and get connected with your very own smart garage. And you can also use this gadget with Amazon Key in Garage Delivery, which is an exclusive Prime member benefit that protects your Amazon packages. With this feature, you can allow Amazon delivery drivers to access your garage and leave your packages inside, so you don't have to worry about them getting stolen or damaged. And you can also give access to your family or friends while you're on the go. Experience the nostalgia of vinyl with the Victrola Vintage 3, a 3-speed belt-driven turntable that comes in a stylish suitcase design. This record player lets you enjoy your favorite vinyl records with upgraded premium sound quality and sound-isolating feet that prevent vibration. You can also stream music from your smartphone through the built-in Bluetooth speakers or connect external speakers via the stereo RCA outputs. And if you want to listen privately, just plug in your headphones to the headphone jack. The Victrola Vintage 3 has all the controls you need, including an input select knob, a power volume knob, and an auto stop switch that stops spinning records once the record is finished playing. Plus, it comes in a wide range of styles, patterns, and colors to suit your personality. Whether you're a beginner or a vintage enthusiast, this record player is a great choice for you. Keep an eye on your furry friends with the PetCube Bites 2 Lite, a smart pet camera that lets you check in on your pets or home anytime from your phone. This device has a 1080p HD live video and audio, so you can see and hear what's going on at home. You can also toss treats remotely via the free app to reward your pets when you're away or schedule automatic tossing for regular feeding. The PetCube Bites 2 Lite has a two-way audio feature that lets you talk to your pets and receive instant alerts when motion or sound is detected. It's easy to set up, compatible with Wi-Fi networks, and has cutting-edge encryption for security. It also has a 24/7 customer support and a 1-year warranty. If you have any questions or issues, you can immediately start a live chat in the app. Introducing the EZVALO music table lamp. It's a lamp, a phone charger, a Bluetooth speaker, and an adjustable phone holder. Basically, it's your new bedroom bestie. Dim the lights, blast your tunes, charge your phone, and chill. Boom! Multitasking magic. Your back's begging for mercy? Enter the self-balance chair. This revolutionary design mimics horseback riding posture, naturally aligning your spine and relieving tension. Say goodbye to slouching and hello to pain-free productivity. Light up your life with the Daewoo LED wall sconce. This cordless wonder is rechargeable, magnetic, and has 360-degree rotation. Use it as a wall sconce, a flashlight, or even a mood light. It's like having a mini disco ball for your walls. Ditch the hand cramps with the ergonomic mouse wireless. This sleek mouse boasts an extended wrist rest, rechargeable battery, and adjustable DPI. Plus, it has RGB lighting for some extra techie flair. Work in comfort and style, my friend. Need a pocket-sized projector that packs a punch? The Acaso Mini projector delivers clear and bright video imaging for entertainment, office, and creative use. Project up to a 150-inch screen for movies, presentations. It's compact, portable, and has a built-in battery for up to 2.5 hours of projection fun. Brace the chill with the Zamet Magnetic Therapy Pillowcase. This ain't your grandma's lumpy headrest. We're talking magnetic fields, ergonomic curves, and shiatsu massage granules that'll melt away tension like butter on a hot pan. It's like having a built-in chiropractor in your bed, working its magic while you snooze. Plus, it's machine washable, so you can keep those good vibes going strong. 10 minutes a day is all it takes to kiss that neck stiffness goodbye. Feeling tight as a pretzel? Enter the Brazen Morph Foam Roller, the world's first truly portable roller. This ain't no flimsy pool noodle. This bad boy folds flat, pops open like magic, and gives your muscles the TLC they deserve. This roller is a transformer in disguise. 1 minute it's flat as a pancake, the next it's ready to rumble. It's perfect for tight muscles, achy joints, and those pre-workout warm-ups. No more excuses, folks. Roll out the kinks anywhere, anytime. Your body will thank you. For those who love to capture life's epic moments, we have the DJI Mini 3 Pro. This featherweight drone weighs less than 249 grams, so you can take it anywhere without registration. But don't let its size fool you. This little bird packs a serious punch with 4K 60 FPS video, 48 megapixels photos, and a host of intelligent features. Soar to new heights and capture stunning footage that will make your social media followers drool. And if you guys like this video, please give it a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video. That's it for today. See you all next time.